Hi bakers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very special video planned for Mother's Day. Without further ado, let's begin. First recipe will be that of vegan croissants. In a bowl, take 2 cups of flour, add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that up with a spoon and set it aside. In another bowl, take half a cup of any kind of plant-based milk. We use almond milk, half a cup of water, and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Warm that up on the stove till it is warm and well combined. Take it off the stove and put it back into your bowl. Add in 4 grams of active dry yeast. Mix it up. Next, take your flour mixture and add in the flour mixture to milk mixture in thirds. Once it has become a dough consistency, take it out. Sprinkle some flour on the base so it doesn't stick to any surface. Next, start kneading it. Take the use of vegan butter to help it not stick and continue to knead it till it is very soft and non-stick. After it has formed a nice dough, put it into another bowl and place it in the fridge for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. After it is done chilling for 1.5 to 2 hours, take it out and leave it on the countertop for a few minutes to cool off. At this point, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Next, take out the dough from the bowl, place it on your surface again. Next, knead the dough till it is completely non-stick. Next, roll the dough out. And slice it into triangular shape. Create the shapes of croissants and brush it on top with vegan butter. This helps it maintain its softness and gives it a nice glow on top. Now place it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Moving on to the chocolate croissants, use the dough and slice it into rectangular shapes. Furthermore, add in chocolate chunks of dark chocolate, or you can even use dark chocolate chips. It is a healthier option as well as vegan, as dark chocolates do not tend to contain any dairy. Roll this up and brush vegan butter on. Place it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The last and final item, we will be making mini fruit tarts. For our base, we're going to need half a cup of vegan butter. Add in 1.5 cups of sugar and whisk it up. In 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/3 cup of milk. In this we will be using almond milk, but you can use any other plant-based milk of your choice. Mix it up till well combined. Next we're going to add in 2 cups of whole wheat flour little by little so it doesn't mix and clump up. Once it is well combined, it will form a dough. Remove it and start kneading it. Then create the base as shown. We need to bake this in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Finally, get ready some custard. We have not been able to include a recipe for custard in this video, but there are multiple that you can find out there for vegan custard. Put in a little bit of custard into each tart base and decorate it with fresh fruit. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you guys liked this video, press the like button, and if you would like to see more, subscribe for more. And if you would like to see something in specific, comment it down below and we will try our best to make it happen. Once again, happy baking!